Hi, this is Gene from iFixSmartphone.com. Today I got this, I guess it's called Kickstarter for your car when the battery's out. And this came in because, as you can see, the charging port is damaged. So this is the one, like how you charge it, this battery to output the enough voltage to the car. And so it's kind of new thing here. So I wanted to show you how it can be replaced. You can see here it's got a special security screw, so I'm gonna have that and open it up and go from there. In order to open it, you need to have 2.3 triangle screw. All right, after the 6 screw, the top cover just pops right off, and it's pretty simple inside. There's a board where the charging port is, and just gotta be careful, make sure the plus don't meet minus. That's how you're gonna cause a lot of problems. So make sure you kind of protect the one end, and the other, everything else is kind of soldered and welded pretty good, so it's not gonna move. This is soldered in there, so I'm gonna have to maybe unsolder it if I have to, but I think I can just go ahead and replace the charging port by disconnecting this. All right, so I got the circuit board out, and basically I just have to replace that, which is pretty easy. Battery is kind of on the side, so I don't think I have to disconnect that. I'll just leave it as it is. That's the controller, so it should be fine. So just replace this, just like when I do with the any phone charging port. Yep, as I suspected, didn't take too long to get this out. Just gotta find the right charging port, solder in there, and we're good to go. Okay, since I don't have the exact charging port for this model, and just gotta find the same orientation used micro USB 5-pin port. Usually this looks like it was used on HTC phones, and this is probably one of them I have. Same orientation. If it goes the other way, and you don't want to do that, that's kind of messed up the device. So one of those, and this one here looks same, and looks like this might be the right candidate for it. And the wing is, I'll have to kind of like modify a little bit to get it on there, because this one does not have a hole, no anchor hole here. It's everything soldered, so it's gotta make sure you get a good grip, modify it, put it on there. As long as there's a good connection, it's guaranteed to work. So okay, I think I modified it good enough to get this on there. And yeah, I'm gonna have to solder the those 5 pins in the back, but otherwise this is good enough to go. And make sure, put some flux. Maybe I'll just tin a little more. Okay, looks like a very business. I just have to reinforce the anchors a little better to make sure it doesn't fall off. Otherwise, it should be good to go. And I have to solder the rest of the piping. Okay, using a solder, and it's pretty solid there. And then, so that thing's not gonna move. So let me assemble it back. All right, the thing's assembled, and you can see the port is fixed. So I'm gonna plug that in to my cable. Yep, you can see it. Now it's charging. That's light on. My amp indicator showing 1.7 amp at 5.2 volt. So I think this is a successful repair. If you have any questions, you can drop me an email to info@ifixsmartphone.com or check our website. Thank you. Thanks for watching.